In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo in Asana. If you've ever deleted a task in Asana and felt that immediate panic, don't worry. There's a simple built-in way to reverse that action as long as you act quickly. I'll walk you through a quick demo so you know exactly what to look for and how to bring a task back in seconds. First, open your Asana workspace and navigate to the specific project where your task lives. Make sure you're in the project view you usually use. List or board is fine, so you can clearly see the task you want to work with. Having the project open gives you the right context and ensures you'll see the on-screen prompt you need in a moment. Next, locate a task in that project and right-click it to open the context menu. This menu is a convenient place to perform common actions without opening the full task details. Right-clicking on the task will display options like duplicating, moving, and yes, deleting. This is the same menu you might use during your everyday cleanup or organization. Now, click on Delete Task. We're doing this intentionally to show you exactly how the undo works. As soon as you click Delete, the task will disappear from your project. Don't be alarmed. That's expected. The important part happens immediately after this action. Right after deleting the task, look to the bottom left corner of your screen. Asana will display a small notification bar confirming the deletion and offering an undo option. Click Undo right away. This prompt is time-sensitive and may only appear for a short window, so it's best to click it as soon as you see it. When you select Undo, Asana restores the task right back into your project, just as it was before you deleted it. This reversal is designed to catch accidental clicks and help you recover quickly without disrupting your workflow. A few helpful tips as you use this feature. Keep your cursor near the bottom left after deleting so you can spot the undo message easily. Avoid navigating away or refreshing the page immediately, because the prompt can disappear if the page changes. If you miss the undo prompt and it's no longer visible, you may need to recreate the task details manually or coordinate with your team to recover the information you need. That's it. By opening your project, right-clicking the task, deleting it, and then immediately clicking Undo on the bottom left prompt, you can safely revert accidental deletions and keep your project on track. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay this section anytime you want to practice the timing and